Good day and welcome to a new week. Today we'll be looking at two slightly confusing sounds that are commonly mispronounced. The first is E and the second A. Most people assume some words with these sounds are homophones because they think the words sound exactly the same, but they don't. Let's look at the sound E in words with EE or EA, and the sound A in words with I or Y. Sound E, bean. Sound A, bin. Seen, sin. Meat, myth. Leap, lip. Sheep, ship. Sleep, sleep. I hope you learned something new today. Do have a nice day.